This is Zero Trust Bridge by Mind Network, enhancing privacy and security on CCIP. Zero Trust Bridge is built on fully homomorphic encryption, the holy grail of cryptography. FHE allows for encrypted data to be computed upon without the need for decryption and adds the security and privacy needed for traditional companies and institutions to enter Web3. Mind Network's Zero Trust Bridge brings its innovative FHE-DKSAP, fully homomorphic encryption dual key stealth address protocol, to ensure that all transactions on CCIP are untraceable yet verifiable by generating stealth addresses for every transaction that mask sender and receiver data as well as currency type and volume. The advantages of FHE-DKSAP are: it mitigates the temporary key leakage issue, allows for reusable key pairs, is user-friendly, and is quantum resistant. This solution meets the security demands of banks while maintaining a level of privacy currently unknown within Web3, allowing CCIP to be a fully secure and private solution for cross-chain actions.
Hi, let me show you the code and run a demo. All the code are available in GitHub, and in the repo you will mainly using two folders. One is SRC, which is the SDK. You're going to include all the functions, and then the test include a demo flow we're going to show later. In the GitHub, you will see all the instruction for installation, and then the specific task or command line required for each steps. Okay, I'm going to show you a demo. In this demo, we have three users, Alice, Bob, and Charlie. They all have a EOA wallet in MetaMask. And they're going to transfer a token which is ERC20 called the CCIP BNM token. So in this demo, Alice is going to transfer the token from his EOA wallet to Bob's stealth address across chain, which is from Eastern Sepolia to Polygon Mumbai chain. And we are utilize Chainlink to do the cross chain. Later, Bob will be able to scan the stealth address, locate it, and then be able to spend it. So he is be able to transfer the token from his stealth address to Charlie's EOA wallet. In this demo, you will be able to see that Alice sent the money to Bob, but without no need to disclose Bob's EOA wallet address. And when Bob sent the token to Charlie, Bob's EOA wallet address is also protected. So in this demo, there's no way to know that Bob EOA wallet address is being used for the whole transactions. Okay, let's show the demo. So the first step is to set up the testing environment, which I have already did the configuration for Alice, Bob, and also Charlie in the code. And then the next step is to register Bob in the SAP smart contract, which I have already done. The green color represent for Bob, and the black color represent for Alice. As you can see, I have run this command before, and it shows Bob is already registered. So the next step is for Alice to send a EOA to Bob's SA across chain, and I have run this command before, so you will be able to see that. Okay, so I have run this command a few minutes ago, and it asked me to check for this transaction hash in CCIP Explorer. So I'm going to check it, just to search for it. Okay, we are in the page, and you will be able to see that it's actually waiting for finality for the destination train. So let's be patient to wait a bit for the results. Okay, then the next step is for Bob to transfer token from his still suggest to Charlie's EOA address. So in this time, we need to get the still suggest and the ciphertext and update on the code. So I'm going to copy this out into here. Okay, I'm going to change it, and then I also need to get the ciphertext. With those two information, then the next step is to transfer from SA to EOA. So let me going to run it. Okay, it is successful, and then let's look at it on the polygon scan. So you can see the token has been sending to 7CA1. 7CA1 is okay, it's still settled. Okay, in the end, it's sending to 4D1E. So 4D1E is Charlie's wallet address, and it is sending 0.001. So then maybe let me just check on this. And you can see 42 seconds before 0.001 token has been sending to this to Charlie's EOA address. Okay, so the demo has been successfully done, and you can see that the token has been transferred from Alice to Bob, from EOA to still suggest cross chain, and then also from still suggest to Charlie's EOA address. For the whole money flow, Bob's EOA wallet is not being showed, but be able to control the still suggest. So all the privacy has been protected, and also the security has been enhanced.